destination is on the right.
What a beautiful day. You couldn't even tell where the ocean met the sky. Found a lot of empty horseshoe crab shells. I did upload a full 360 video of this flight. It's best if you have anything other than a Roku, because Roku will not do 360. And for some reason my goggles didn't record the audio. This guy was fascinated with the drone, so I flew it back up and let him wear the goggles. I even handed him the controller when I got up there. He said he loved it and he'll never forget the experience. It's time to head home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm actually loving this Antigravity A1 drone. Be sure to subscribe. First comment still gets a key tag. The new and improved black border key tag. Me and Mama wishing everybody a happy new year.